Hey, this is Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and I want to talk to you about my new online stock trading seminar. I want to help you be able to get started right away getting the financial education you didn't get in high school or college and learn how to put your money to work for you to start wealth building in the stock market. This is a fun, easy seminar where you can learn right at your pace three strategies that you really need to know that the wealthy know. Let's talk about the rich people in our country and the rich people in the world. What do they know that you don't? And the answer is this: they know how to put money to work for them in the stock market. They also have a mindset for creating wealth. You see, if you're middle class, you're taught to get a higher education and get a job. If you're working class, you're taught to do things like overtime. But the rich don't do that. They put their money to work in the stock market. You see, they have a totally different mindset, a totally different belief, a totally different expectation about what money is and how it should work for them. Well, I was raised by a single mother who struggled just to pay the bills, and today I'm the wealthiest one in my family. Why? Because of that shift in my thinking, that shift in my mindset. And what I want to show you at this new online seminar are three strategies, three stock market trading strategies that you can put to work right now in the next 72 hours, that if you have an online brokerage account, they can start making you money right away. Let's talk about that because the richest people in our world, the richest people in our country, they don't make their money in real estate. I'm sure you've heard from Warren Buffett and Bill Gates, right? They're each worth $50 billion with a B. $50 billion with a B. How did they get there? Because they own large amounts of stocks, and so should you when you take my online seminar. Let me teach you really quickly three strategies that I'm going to show you in the online seminar I think you should know about. Here's a company called eBay. Now, in the Wealthy Investor program, I teach people just like you how to change their lives financially, and we start with pictures. You see, stocks are not really just investments. They're more like dates. And if we can see a picture, it can tell us whether or not we want to date that company. I'm looking at this company right now called eBay. eBay. Now let's talk about investing in eBay. This is a 5-year chart of eBay. Down here, when the stock was $20, if you just bought 100 shares, you would have had a $2,000 investment. Today, less than 5 years later, that $2,000 investment is worth what? $5,484. Now, let's talk about what the rich do. Instead of taking $2,000, they would have taken $20,000, which would have been worth $54,000, or $200,000, which would have been worth $500,000. Why? They know what to invest in. Let's take a look at another company like Disney. Disney is a member of something called the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Pretty good date? Look at the picture. Well, if you had invested in Disney when it was down here around $30 a share, see, even if we missed the bottom, we could still get in around $30 a share here, right? A $3,000 investment, buying 100 shares, is worth what? $7,959 today. Well, what would the rich do? They take a company that's a member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average like Disney, and they would invest in it, let's say $300,000, and today that would be an $800,000 investment. Why am I suggesting this to you? Because you have the same opportunity. The internet has changed everything. You and I can do the exact same thing that the rich do. What's missing in your life is a financial education. So I've just shown you here eBay, a non-Dow component, and a Dow component like Disney. Now, let's go back to eBay for a moment. What if there was a way, just from owning these shares, we were able to generate monthly income? That's right. Just because we own the shares, we'd be able to generate monthly residual income. We're going to do that through a strategy called covered call writing. So right now, I've arranged for you to be able to get instant access to my online workshop. There are 4 modules you can follow right along, and you need to learn some trades. What are you going to learn when you sign up right now to get instant access? Here's some of what I'm going to teach you. How to start trading with less than $5,000. I prefer that you even use your income tax income. How to earn $2,000 to $5,000 a month selling covered calls. That monthly residual income income strategy we talked about. 2-for-1 stock split. Is there a profit there? How to open an online trading account. The top 3 mistakes that this is really important, that most beginners investors make, and how you should avoid them, and why you should use your broker's money, something called margin, when you open your account. You see, this online workshop is chock full of information. All the basics that you would pay at a $5,000 seminar is right here online for you to be able to take right now. I'm also going to cover how to volatility trade for fast, easy profits, buying stocks, where the software in your account is actually going to sell them while you're at work and maybe even at a Pilates class. These are real strategies that the wealthy, the upper class, really know that the rest of us have been left out. That's why I'm putting this together so that you can be in the comfort of your own home and learn these strategies right now. And finally, how to focus your thinking to create wealth, and much, much more, and a few more surprises inside. Now, you know, the average workshop for the weekend in the stock market is $5,000. How much is going to cost you? Well, right now you see a special introductory price on your screen. All you have to do is sign up. You don't have to pay $5,000. You have the chance of a lifetime. So here's what I need you to do. Click on the sign up link right now at this very, very limited price, because it's going to change immediately, but you have the opportunity to get instant access and start learning the language of wealth, the language of the stock market, and how to change your money beliefs and thoughts instantly in the first module. It's the first thing that we're going to cover. So what do you want to do? There's no time to wait. Take advantage of this extremely low price. There's no need with the internet to pay $5,000 for a weekend when you can take my basic stock market seminar from home right now. This is Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, saying, I'll see you on the other side. Just click sign up right now.